Descartes, Prima Meditatio, Episode 7. Sed forte, quam vis interdum sensus circa minuta quaedam, et, remoti ora nos fallant, pleraque tamen alia sunt de quibus dubitari plane non potest, quam vis ab iistem hauriantur, ut iam me hic esse, fovo assidere, hiamali toga esse indutum, cartam istam manibus contractara et similia. Descartes begins with this conjunction, but remember he was talking previously about how the senses are deceptive, but perhaps, he says, although, and now he begins this subordinate clause, although sometimes the senses nos fallant, deceive us. So quam vis, with a subjunctive, in this instance fallant gives a concessive clause, although sometimes the senses deceive us, and nos here is accusative, in the matter of or concerning certain very insignificant and far removed things. Remoti ora is a comparative adjective modifying minuta, as does quaedam. They both modify minuta. So things that are somewhat removed and rather insignificant. Nevertheless, now here's the main clause, very many things, very many other things, there are de quibus, now we have another relative clause, concerning which non potest plana dubitari, concerning which clearly or absolutely it is not possible to doubt. There can be no doubt. And then we have another concessive clause, although these things are drawn, hauriantur, and this is third plural, present, subjunctive, and passive, and it is subjunctive for the same reason that fallant is subjunctive, because of these quam vis clauses. Although they are drawn, they are derived ab iistem, from the same things, meaning from the senses. That's the antecedent of iistem. Now he's going to give examples. Ut here, as, now, that I am in this place. Hic here is the adverb. Notice that the demonstrative adjective has a short I, and the adverbial form is written with a macron over it, meaning here. And esse and me here constitute oratio obliqua. Again, indirect discourse. These are the things that cannot be doubted. And why does he use an infinitive? Well, because it's dependent upon potest and dubitari. For example, it cannot be doubted that I am now here in this place, fovo assidere, that I am sitting, me is implicit with assidere, I am sitting by the fire. I've included here an image of the fireplace, just for the sake of illustration. That, esse indutum, that I am clothed or dressed, hiamali toga, in a winter garment. So toga here is in the ablative, you can see that little macron, modified by the adjective hiamali. Toga is an ablative of means, with indutum, implicit me, once again. Hiamali is spelled like this because it is a word of Greek origin. Finally, that I am handling, contractara, this paper, cartam istam, in my hands, that I am holding this piece of paper, manibus, in my hands, another ablative of means, and he says similia, other things like that. They are also true.